So here I am at the Sweden train station and bus station. It is a giant station. Here is the bus station. So I think there is a river coming by here and so beautiful. And now I'm gonna go inside and show you inside the station. Here we are, we have a subway here. So and Burger King, oh my god. You see that? There's a Burger King behind me, but no sign, like just they write it. Burger King, okay. I think this is where people ride in the train when you have a ticket. So it's so busy, oh my god. Look like it's going down, but I'm not gonna go down. That is 7-Eleven. So here we are outside. The weather is so beautiful, a little bit windy. And comparing to US train station and bus station is very clean to me. I don't know. I don't see a single homeless person here. I don't know how they solve this problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe so I can quit my job and do full-time YouTube. I love you all. Bye.